here's the oil plug from a 2015 Chevy Spark that the dealership rounded off. Luckily for us, all the auto parts stores are closed and he does have to get to work, so we grounded her off. We're gonna put a big nut on it. And no, we're not gonna weld from the bottom and mess up the freaking flat nest. Don't worry, we're gonna weld from the top. We're gonna fix this.
Yep, and what we're going to do is we're going to start with putting heat into the side bolt and then gently pulling it into the other piece so we don't cause any warping. So that's just the start. Just want to let it cool off for a second.
Then we'll continue on until it's done. I know everyone's gonna say you just go buy a new one, but when the store ain't open and you gotta get to work, we sure as heck ain't gonna screw that piece of crap back in. So, digging out with peroxy.
The flux.
Anyway, so this is what we're doing. Trying to get this sucker. And the ironic part is, I did have a spare oil plug for my car, but they're just a little bit different. Which is funny because the Chevy Spark has a smaller engine, but it's got the bigger oil plug. So,
Yep.
Alright, gonna do some more magic. And yes, to answer the question, we did pull off the rubber gasket before doing this. So before you leave the comment, gasket's gone, you're screwed. No, gasket's safely up on the car and not on this. So
I'm going to let this cool down a little bit so it's no longer red, because the flux helps protect it from gases and atmospheric pressure while it's cooling.
and we already use a flux core welder because we're just too lazy to drag out the MIG. So plus we figure it's underneath a car and no really gets too craps. Anyways, if you're in a bind, no other options, this is a better choice than trying to screw it back in and then really be
Screwed the next time you try and change your oil.
yeah. So anyways, if the store is open, definitely get a new one. If the store ain't open, you can do this if you're creative.
You just need a nut and a welder. Doesn't even have to be fancy.
Yeah. Peace out.